In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create multiple Shopify stores under one account or one email. Now this is very easy and quick. So the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on your profile in the top right, click on stores. Okay, after you click on stores, you can click on create another store. Okay, after you click on stores, it will take you to the list of your stores here. So currently I only have one store, but now I'm going to create another one. Click on create another store, click on I'm just starting. You can also skip all this. Okay, you can select your email, building your store. So I have successfully created the second store. So you can do this as many times as you want. Okay, you can create 10 stores, 11 stores. Okay, now after you create a store, then you can switch between your stores any time you want. Okay, so I think there is a problem here, but it won't happen for you. So I have successfully created another store, as you can see. Now to switch between your stores, you want to click on your profile in the top right, click stores, and you will find 2 Shopify stores here. Okay, and then you can click on them. Okay, you can click on your stores whenever you want. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.